Three sets of S2 listening mode operation. First, long press EJEAS button for 3 seconds to turn on the power. Then, long press the plus button and EJEAS button within 5 seconds to enter the mesh pairing.
Mesh pairing. Mesh pairing.
Then click the EJEAS button to enter the mesh pairing.
Pairing successful. Channel 1. Pairing successful. Channel 1.
The mesh pairing is successful. And then press the plus button and the minus button at the same time. To enter the menu,
Restore default settings. Mesh pairing.
and choosing the listening mesh pairing. And now press EJEAS button to turn on the green one. And press the minus button and plus button to enter the menu.
Menu. Restore default setting. Mesh pairing.
Choosing the listen mesh pairing. And click the purple one.
Pairing successful. Channel 1.
Then the listening mode operation is successful. You can talk to the purple one and the blue one, and the green one only can listen.